Alright guys, today we're going to be making a guacamole using this BOMASS knife. We're going to do an unboxing and let's check these knives out, guys. So in the box here we have two knives. Got this knife here. Very beautiful chef knife. Look at that handle here. Ooh, can't wait to start chopping on this one. Beautiful knife. And razor sharp, so we'll be using that one, and then we'll also give this little guy a try. So here's a little bit shorter shank, so compare the two. This one's a little bit smaller, and it also comes with a sharpener here. Pretty nice. Let's get chopping. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our onion. We're gonna go ahead and dice this up, and I'm telling you, this guacamole recipe is one that you do not want to skip on. It's real easy, and so far this knife is pretty damn sharp, making this really easy for me. And this is just a technique to cut onion. You can do the slices and cut it through the side and then chop it, and then you can basically hand dice it afterwards if you want a finer product. So that's exactly what I did. So we're gonna get some lemon, so one large lemon, de-seed it, and just throw the whole lemon in there and let that start cooking with the onion. See, that's a big tip for you right here. It's almost like making ceviche, right? But start with the onion just to get some of that harsh flavor out, and then I did salt and pepper first to have it infused together and start getting that flavor profile that we want. And then we're gonna have just one jalapeno. You can take the seeds off if you want a little bit more heat, or you can leave them in. On this one I chose to take the seeds off of just one half. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and dice it up and make them into like 1/4 inch like cubes, just like we did with the onion there. This knife here is definitely gonna be a staple in my kitchen. As soon as I get one of those magnetic strips, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my wall on my back where I always cook. So, and it looks nice, you know, nice beautiful knife. So we're gonna go ahead and get our tomato. This is the way I dice tomatoes. There's several ways. I'm just gonna dice this up really quick. We're gonna just use one tomato, dice it up, and try to not take as much water of the tomato as if you can. And then we're gonna have about 1/4 of the cilantro when it comes in the stem. Just use like 1/4 of it, not even half, a little bit of it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this in our mixing bowl and let that lemon infuse in there as well. And we're gonna be using a ton of avocados here. These avocados were nice and green, perfect for this. And I like to dice them up before, cross pattern. And it saves time in mixing, but you know, if you don't have that kind of time, which I didn't, I just started squeezing them. So this actually is a little bit quicker, just squeezing them out. And then now we have our guacamole all settled. Everything is in. This is the way I like to make it. Now let's give it a test. This is the perfect snack or addition to like some taquitos or just chips and guac, man. Cannot go wrong. But this is the perfect amount of salt, pepper, and spice and lemony. So go ahead and check out these knives in the description. Thanks for watching.